To go with our unit on radicals, we're also going to talk about the Pythagorean theorem. So with the Pythagorean theorem, we're finding missing side lengths for right triangles. So if you look at the triangle I have, the triangles have two legs and a hypotenuse. The two legs are sides A and B. Sides A and B are always attached to the right angle. The hypotenuse, so hypotenuse, and here we have a leg, and here's the other leg. So the legs are attached to that right angle. The hypotenuse, the C side, is the side that never touches the right angle. So as we're going through these problems, keep that in mind. So we're going to take a look at two examples using that information. So the first one, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 9, and C is equal to some value. So the Pythagorean theorem, we have our triangle above, is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So if you square both of the legs, it's equal to the hypotenuse squared. So each time I do one of these problems, I'm going to write down my formula first. So A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So A is equal to 4, so I have 4 squared. B is equal to 9, so I have 9 squared is equal to C squared. And as I begin simplifying, I get 16 plus 81 is equal to C squared, or 97 is equal to C squared. And then to get rid of the squared, I'm going to use a square root. So the square root of 97 is equal to C, or C is equal to the square root of 97. So the missing side length of this particular triangle is the square root of 97, which would come out to 9.85. So if I move on to number 2, this time I'm missing side A, so I'm still going to start by writing down the equation. And I'm going to fill in what I know. So I don't know A. So A squared plus the square root of 56 squared is equal to 14 squared. So I'll go through and start simplifying. I get A squared plus the square root of 56 squared. We know square root and squared cancel each other out, so I'm just left with 56 is equal to 196. Then I subtract 56 from both sides, and I'm left with A squared. A squared is equal to 140. I square root both sides to get rid of the squared. So A is equal to the square root of 140. 140 breaks down. So I get 2 and 70. 70 breaks down into 2 and 35, which is 7 and 5. So I have a pair of 2's. So A is equal to 2 square roots of 35. So my missing side length is 2 square roots of 35.